Yeah, very good morning to one and all gathered over here. So today we are going to see the case study on mobile networks. So in this case study in mobile networks, the frequency and interfacing cells in networks plays a vital role. So let us we see slide by slide. Uh, so yeah, frequency and interfacing cells. What is the process and operation of frequency? How the cell nodes will be interfered with through your cellular networks. These things we can see it in very brief. So let me start with, in the world of cellular networks, frequency and access channels are vital components that ensure efficient and reliable communication between your mobile device and the cell towers. Then second point, these concepts might sound at a bit technical, but let's break them down into simple terms to help you understand how they work together within cells, ensuring your phone stays connected and you make calls or use the internet without a hitch. So from this, how the mobile networks and mobile networks node will connected, how the efficient and reliable communication takes place in mobile device, then how the communication interconnects with your mobile device and cell towers, then how the internet plays a vital role in mobile device, and what is the help of technical concepts which should be seen in step by step each and every slide. Let us change the slide. So next slide here, frequency and its importance. What is, imagine a frequency as a unique radio station number on your car's FM dial. Just as a different station broadcast different frequencies, cellular networks also use specific frequencies for communication. So these frequencies are like highways in their air, carrying voice calls, text messages and internet data between your device and the cell towers. So in this point, what it says means very simple. Imagine a frequency, how it travels and how it communications. We already know frequency should travel in wireless medium, that is called as our air medium. So in this air medium, each and every frequency will how communicated, how voice call signal will interconnected, how text messages will be sharing, how internet plays a vital role, how it will connect to mobile device and tower. These things will be seen in depthly. So let me see the insights of frequency bands. So cellular networks divide their available frequency into different bands. Think of these bands as lanes on a highway, each catering to a specific type of communication. So for instance, there is a lane for voice calls, another for text message and more for internet data. So these above cellular networks frequency band says it is going to split into different lanes, that is your frame lane 1, frame lane 2 and frame lane 3. So in that frame lane 1 plays a voice call network, frame lane 2 plays text message, frame lane 3, 4, 5 plays a vital role because it progress the connectivity of internet. So we can do voice calls through WhatsApp, Skype, Viber, Zoom meetings like Microsoft Team meetings, Nimbus, Viber, etc. These are all the things it should be comes under the category of frequency bands. Then what is spectrum auctions? Let I go through this point. The right to use this frequency band is typically auctioned by government to mobile network operators. These operators then provide services using the allocated frequency, just like how different radio stations compete for a spot on the airwaves. Mobile operators compete the frequency bands to offer their service. Very simple, the spectrum auction is nothing for our communication department, our government handling the telecommunication department. So in the telecommunication department, we are going to make an agreement to, from this particular frequency bandwidth, we are going to broadcasting and telecasting or broadcasting our signal. So we need a rights for this particular frequency to block for our network purpose. This is called as spectrum auctions. So let me come to next slide. So next slide is your access channels. According to these conditions, how the channels will access. Voice and data separation will access in frame 1 and frame 2. Then handshake and verification signal will occur in frame 3 and 4. Then internet connection 5 and 6. According to 3 to 6 category, the channel will be accessed. Hope you people understand about these basic things and topics what I explained in this previous 3-4 slides. So forthcoming session we are going to see what is the accessing techniques, how it performs, how it plays. What are all the importance and operation techniques will be seen in next class. Thank you to all.